The following video describes the process of making a Ichthyol shampoo for the complementary treatment of psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis of the scalp. The formula has the following composition: Ichthyol 6 grams, sodium lauryl ether sulfate 60 grams, tegobetain L7 20 grams, polysorbate 20 grams, lactic acid enough to obtain pH 4.5, viscosity 7.4 grams. And distilled water enough for 200 grams. Place the water in a beaker and weigh the Ichthyol. Stir until completely dissolved. Weigh the tegobetain L7 over the previous solution. Stir until a homogeneous solution is achieved. In another beaker, weigh the sodium lauryl ether sulfate. Add the polysorbate 20. Stir until a perfect mixture is obtained, called the surfactant phase. On the left is the surfactant phase, and on the right is the aqueous phase consisting of water, Ichthyol, and tegobetain L7. Start a water bath at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. Introduce the two previous phases. Once both phases are at the set temperature, remove them from the bath and add the aqueous phase to the surfactant phase, stirring until a homogeneous shampoo is achieved. Adjust to pH 4.5 with lactic acid. Add the viscosity 15 under constant stirring. Package the obtained shampoo in a polyethylene bottle. The shampoo is used 2 to 3 times a week and should remain on the scalp for at least 5 minutes.